The OrCam device contains all components, including its processor and battery, in one unit. The device has 2 long sides and 2 narrow sides. The power on-off button is located on the inside of the long side, which also has 2 magnets. You can move your finger along this side to feel them. Just behind the power button is the speaker, followed by the USB inlet, which is on the rounded end of the device. Now turn your device around and you will notice a long touch bar. This is where you activate your device, either by touching the bar or by swiping it. When you reach the end of this side, you will have reached the camera and LED reading lights. It is best to avoid holding the device at this end so you don't obscure or smudge the camera. Before you begin using the OrCam device, you may wish to attach the provided lanyard to the eyelet loop at the back end of your device and wear it around your neck.